Hello, welcome to Portland, Oregon and Roost Vans' beautiful shop. And today we're going to be going over our standard core build on this 2019 4x4 Sprinter. Now, standard core build's great for people who just need to get their van started so that they can start using it, or maybe they haven't fully figured out exactly what they're going to be doing with their van. And so we accommodate that by doing simple things such as insulation, our mounting system, paneling, but also, and probably more importantly, our pre-wiring, where our pre-wiring package includes a lot of components that may or may not be installed in your van. Awning leads, exterior power and lighting, interior user-controlled ceiling lighting, as well as user-controlled under cabinetry lighting, an AC recharge circuit that's mounted on the outside of the van, as well as a DC recharge circuit that we connect to the engine alternator. And there's a few other items that we can go with you in more detail that get coiled up on the standard core build and give you some access to utilize later on in the build process. Now with our core build, we also do a full insulation, thin slit in the walls. We have the option of doing Havelock as well. Insulation in the doors, as well as the slider door. We follow up with putting our standard interior mounting system in that all of our items leverage, cabinetry, lower and upper, as well as our bed system. And we have a number of options for the core build in doing paneling, ceiling, walls, and in this case we did some fabric wrap color splash for the bottom layer. Depending on the type of van you have, you might have window pockets that we can trim around, much similar to what we just did on this front window. And we can also take a look at not doing this mid-paneling at all, depending on what your plans are. Again, this standard core build, we do our best to accommodate users that may either be on a budget or may not have their van fully finished out, but they want to get it usable so that they can start enjoying it. Well, visit us at roostvans.com, fill out a request for information if you have any more questions.